Not everyone gets a second chance, but if you do, what are you going to do with it? Warren Buffett started with just a few dollars and turned it into billions. And here's the thing, his blueprint still works today. Let me show you how. Buffett bought his first stock at 11. You can start with just $5. Apps like Robinhood or Acorns make it easy. It's not about how much, it's about starting now. Buffett didn't bet on hype. He picked companies he used. Coca-Cola, Apple, stuff he believed in. If you use it and trust it, learn about it. That's where smart investing starts. Buffett held stocks for years, sometimes decades. He didn't panic, he stayed focused. Because real wealth grows slow. Patience is the real flex. Buffett reads every day. You don't have to, but just learn something. Watch videos, ask questions. You don't need a college degree, just some curiosity and consistency. Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in the 50s. He could flex, but he chooses discipline. You don't have to look rich to build real wealth. He didn't just invest. He built businesses and reinvested the profits. You can do that too. You don't gotta spend all your money. Start a hustle, stack the wins, and then let your money grow with you. Buffett is giving away most of his fortune when he passes, because legacy matters more than flex. When you grow, reach back, pull people up the ladder, help the less fortunate. You don't need a head start. You need a plan and a little bit of patience. Warren showed the way. Now it's your move. This is Wealth Mode.